Well, everybody, welcome back to Krueger Family Farms. Today, I am on the Kubota. I got the old side delivery bar rake behind me, and I'm raking some hay. So, I'm raking just a little bit of hay right now ahead of my great uncle. He just went back to go get the round baler, so I just got to try staying ahead of him. So I'll keep recording until a guy can, well, he gets back out here with the round baler, actually. And he gets the first bale made, and then that's probably where I'll end up letting you guys go at, is after we get that first round bale made, because we got the first 10 or 11 made last night, and then we had a 4 that was just garbage material the guy's gonna burn, because we had foxtail out here in the field, and well, the guy cannot feed foxtail, so we're gonna either burn that, or, and there's also weeds in it too, we're either gonna burn it or put it out for other critters to eat, not saying what type of critters, just critters in general. Doing a pretty nice job raking. I'm just raking one windrow at a time right now, so that's what I'm trying to do. My great uncle told me I'll work my way down to the end of the field here and skip a row, start heading back up the next row. I need to get over this way. We're trying to run the silver thing up on the hood right alongside of the windrow, so I know I'm braking good. Let me turn the throttle on. I'm running in two-wheel drive, mid-range, 300 RPMs, and I'm raking hay. And right now, we're on the field. There's the old bar rake behind me. The rake I'm running right now is actually my grandpa's rake. It just has been parked over at my great uncle's, like all the other equipment. The park is over at his place. So, I'm sorry I didn't get much footage of cutting hay, but I'm gonna, well, I'm usually the person that rakes, so I'm usually able to get footage while I rake. I was having problems with that chain pop off the other night when I was raking some other stuff, but well, I was also raking on hillier ground, which is my first mistake. Try doing a little bar rake. Oh. This son of a gun's rough. I actually dropped that down a little bit in the back there. Looks like I was missing a little bit over on that other window there. I don't know. I don't think I was. You know, while I'm thinking of it, I'm just going to come out and check. Yeah, it's leaving a really nice windrow behind it too. For being an old hay rake like it is, and yeah, missing a few teeth. Then guy just they gave me. Gonna put teeth on it. We're gonna put a new tire on it because we had a flat tire. I'm like, it's an old rake. Not gonna waste my time with it. Not gonna spend money. I mean, in the end, I'd say it's better to keep the old equipment running. Don't get me wrong. Because older, oh, son of a gun. You know, just when I think it's going good, I gotta set you down there quick because I've had a chain pop off on me. Well, should be able to hopefully keep going. I hope. Let me see. I mean, I wasn't going too fast by any means. It's just a pain when the chain pops. Got a spring on it that will tell you this right now. The spring I have on it is not meant for it. The spring I actually have on the rake right now is actually a trampoline spring. So if you get what I'm saying when I say it is not made for what I'm doing, it is literally not made for what I'm doing. I'm just hoping I don't have a lot of trouble with this today. My great uncle looks like he's on his way out here with the round baler now. Got him, I hope we don't have trouble with that, because we're all having transmission issues with the tractor. The baler tractor and the cutting tractor. We use the same tractor for cutting and baling, so you get what I mean. We don't want problems. Because last year it was a fight with that round baler. But those bales I showed you at the end of the other, you might have seen them at the other end of the field there, where they were actually fairly nice bales. Fairly nice. Long bales at the end of the field, man. Don't ever take off raking fast when it's late. If you stop, because it doesn't work great. You decide to thinking to be smart and turn out to not be the brightest bulb on the Christmas tree. Well, haven't had any major breakdowns yet. The reason I'm saying yet is, well, I don't want to jinx myself. I've jinxed myself by saying it's going to be a good day before, and I decided to start saying there's no breakdowns, major breakdowns today yet, or really this haying season yet, other than a couple issues here and there, but nothing major that we know of. So, yay. But here he comes with the big old round baler. We make 5.5 by 5.5 foot bales usually. We have the option to make 5 by 6 foot 5x6 bales, 5x6 wood, but we don't like dirt. Then the equipment struggle to handle them, and you're just beating up equipment for really no reason other than got a slow areas here, like slurs pretty much. Okay, well, I'm gonna let him get those roads over there bailed up first. I don't know how. Picked up some bailing. I know how much fun that Family Farms simulator stuff. So how fun. Like we got 2 half-ones left there. I personally don't want to have him fight against the bale. I'm letting him go through their bale, which I trust probably to keep going. But I don't know. All this weight, I think, get it all cleaned up and tidied up and everything. Nice and neat. Trust me, I like bales to be neat and nice. I really do. And I like windrows when they're nice and neat. I was actually talking with the John Deere dealer earlier today about, potentially seeing a demo baler on the farm. If we do, you might be getting a lot more, yeah, you might not be getting baling footage, but you might, I don't know.